Okay, all you boys and girls out there, hi. Yep, it's Steph the producer, Crumb Boss TV. Right now you're looking at 5 cupcakes because there's 5 adorable, adorable boys in a group called, what's the name of the group?
One Direction!
Yay, One Direction.
Everybody, Crumb Boss!
Now, Crumb Boss, you made that One Direction cake.
Yeah.
And now you're going to make One Direction cupcakes.
That's right.
Because everybody's asking about the One Direction. We're all going in the same direction now. We're making One Direction cupcakes, and there's 5 boys in this band, and it's absolutely wonderful. Yes, I have a niece that loves One Direction.
And I do too.
Yes, they love it.
Brenna went to see One Direction a couple weeks ago.
Yes, and my niece Erica, I think Erica met them last year.
Wow.
Yeah, Erica
Nice.
gets into a lot of stuff because of Steph the producer. No, I'm kidding.
Where's the names?
Oh, it's okay. All right. You forgot the sheet.
I forgot the sheet.
All right, wait. Okay, make one. I know one's name is Harry.
Everybody knows who Harry is.
But what color
Let's see
did...
about the other one.
All right.
Harry's favorite color is blue.
How'd you remember that?
I don't know. Liam's favorite color is purple, I think. Niall's favorite color is...
Niall.
Niall.
Niall?
Niall.
All right. Niall's favorite color is red.
Maybe.
Maybe. We're going to get yelled at.
Lewis is red.
Okay, and the other
who's
one...
the other one? You gotta remember
Cayenne.
the other one. What?
Cayenne pepper?
Kanye West?
Kanye West. All right, look, we're making One Direction cupcakes, all right?
All right.
All right, just... And don't yell, all right?
Ooh, the only one's yelling is you.
No, they all yelled on the One Direction cake saying, you cut Harry, you
Well,
cut
we're not
Harry.
cutting Harry this time.
Yeah, who are you going to cut?
We're not cutting anybody.
Who are you going to eat?
Nobody.
Okay.
We're gonna, first of all, what I'm gonna show you how to do is to make a little, like a rainbow swirl color for the cupcakes, because 2 of them like blue, 1 of them likes purple, and 2 of them like red.
Crumb Boss, you're my favorite.
Really? You're my favorite.
Okay, good. No.
All right, so I'm gonna put a little bit of blue in, like, sort of, if you can understand, one side of the pastry bag, if that makes sense to you guys.
Yes.
And then I want to put the purple sort of on the other side, if that
Okay.
makes any sense to you at all.
Because there's some of the guys in the group like blue, some of the guys like purple,
Right.
and
So
one of the guys
then,
likes red.
When I squish this out of my pastry bag,
Yes.
it's going to come out, watch this, swirled purple. Can you see the purple?
Yes, I can see it.
Purple and blue.
Okay. Yep. See the blue purple streaks through it? Yeah, that looks cool.
So that effect is achieved by putting half color in one side and the other color in the other.
What if I put 18 colors in it? Would it come out a big mess?
No, it does work. The 18 is quite a lot, but towards the end of your pastry bag, like you fill it up to here, once you get down to the end, it all starts swirling together and it gets kind of gray.
Okay.
So anyway, that's that.
All right, so there we have it. So she's making One Direction cupcakes. Now, over here, what is this exactly you have?
This is a sheet of fondant that I've rolled out, and then this is my sheet of sugar paper that I've printed out, all edible. So if you guys have access to a sugar printer, maybe go to your local bakery with your favorite One Direction picture, ask them to print it out for you.
Yes.
You could then roll out a sheet of
Didn't
fondant.
you used to ship it, or it got too much for you?
I was. We were shipping everything, and I was like never sleeping. So now all we do is videos and work our full-time
2 days before
jobs.
Christmas, I went to Gretchen's house, and she had a whole
crazy.
giant thing to ship. It was
all
unbelievable.
This stuff just getting ready to package and ship. So no, we're not shipping a lot of things anymore. So I've rolled out my sheet of fondant. Then what I do is just cut the sugar paper. It's real easy to cut.
Yes.
See, like
What's
that?
it taste like? Sugar?
Yeah, it tastes like the old-fashioned wafers that we used to get on our cakes.
I want a
way
One
back then.
Direction cake for my birthday.
Okay, you can have this one. I'll freeze it for you.
Okay, it's a few months away though.
All right. Sometimes when it's real hot and humid like it is in the bakery today, it's very difficult to get these pictures off.
Okay.
So I do it almost the way I would try and get the skin off of a salmon
Okay, yeah.
when I'm cooking salmon at home.
Okay.
All right, and then just peel it the rest of the way off.
All right.
And then you could just stick it right onto your fondant that has been freshly rolled out.
Yes.
And this stuff sticks right on.
Yes.
Then I can cut my pictures, trim them up a little bit.
With your $56,000 knife.
That's not this one.
Oh, that's your $42,000
Yeah,
knife.
right. This one came with the set also.
Here we have One Direction. Who's who? That's Harry.
Everybody knows who Harry is.
Well,
I think that's Niall.
No, I think that's Cayenne.
You keep calling him Cayenne.
I think that's Billy, and that's Tommy.
Yeah. Billy
And that's
Joe.
Johnny. I'm kidding. We know who they are.
Do we?
We know who won. Baby, you light up my world like nobody else. Go ahead.
So the reason why I did it this way, and you know, just to give it sort of a sturdy base, because if I just drape the picture over the cupcake, it's going to look kind of weird. So I wanted to, it's almost like a billboard cupcake, right guys?
Yeah, billboard One Direction. Cool.
Yeah, so it's sort of like that.
Nice. I want this for my birthday.
Okay, you can have these. Whoops, that one's broken.
Okay.
That.
Baby, you
And that.
light up my world like...
And then to add a little bit of red in it for the guy who likes red, I just thought I'd do a little bit of a border.
So, if I was to order these for my birthday, how much would they be?
For you, $100,000.
Cool. I'm going to place that order.
Okay, great. I could use the money.
Oh, this is cool. So
right.
the Crumb Boss is making One Direction cupcakes for all you One Direction fans out there. Again, vanilla cupcake with the buttercream icing. She showed you how to mix it with the guy's favorite colors, purple and blue. And then she did a little border around the fondant with the sugar paper, and you have your very own One Direction. Right now, there's probably 20,000 girls screaming, I want to eat Harry, I want to eat this, I want to eat that. What do you want to do?
I don't want to eat any of these guys because I filled up on leopard cake.
That's right, because we made a leopard cake before, so make sure you watch that episode today, too. Uh-huh. Yep.
All right, there it is, guys. One Direction.
One Direction, made only by...
Crumb Boss.
See, who takes care of you? I'm going to watch the film.
Oh my god, it's hot as hell in here.
So I'm still filming.
Oh,
So you
sorry.
can start cursing. No. One Direction cupcakes, there they are. Oh my god, I'm going to make these for my grandson. I mean, that's what somebody's going to say.
I was going to say.
Not the grandson.
I know I haven't seen you in a while, but a lot's happened for you, Steph. Your grandson, huh?
No, I have a grandson. Yeah. No, meanwhile. No, I'm just saying, like, some of the people.
Oh. Well, for your grandson, I think the girl.
No, granddaughter. Yeah, I don't know. I'm jet lagged, Gretchen.
Get your story straight,
I'm
would you?
jet lagged. I've been all over the place. Went to the Valley of the Fire.
Whew, I'm sweating. Let's get out of here.
All right, let me call Chris. Bye. One Direction.